everyone and welcome to Gongster channel again, and here we are in London Euston station. So as you can see here, there are a lot of people here, and let's get going now. So okay, so first of all, you guys might ask me, why do I speak English now? I never speak English in any of videos. Many of my friends asking me, why don't you try to speak English, and you never speak English in videos? And I said like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna do that. And here we are, guys. Alright, let me just take a quickly going now. Alright guys, so today we are going to Watford, and you know what? I think I need to get going now. And I have to say, I had never been to Watford before, so what we gonna do in there? Because I booked the ticket for the Warner Brothers studio at 4 p.m. So we're probably gonna find something to eat first, and then we go to the studio. I spent time only an hour in Watford to find something to eat, walking around, and then I went straight away to the bus station. Alright guys, so we arrived at the station, and I think we find what we want for. So I saw that Harry Potter bus over there. Alright, so I think what we found what we're here for, and a lot of people there as well, yeah?
Do you know when the next bus comes?
Every 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay, so the bus comes every 10 minutes. We're just gonna wait out here for a bit, man. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so finally we got moving. I'm not so sure I'm gonna make it into this bus, but we do as best as we can, right? Yeah. Alright guys, and here we are. We finally arrived at Warner Brothers Studios, as you can see here. Look very nice, especially this is a very nice day. Let's get inside, guys. Yeah. There seems to me a lot of tourists as well, even if it's Monday, guys. And let's get inside there, right? It's a very nice welcoming experience that you get when you walk into the Great Hall of Hogwarts, which actually a scene that they use in the real Harry Potter movies. That I mean, at first I say I'm not a big fan of Harry Potter, but it is very fascinating. I like the way how they represent all those props and sets, and also this history about all the character and all the teams behind the movies. Look at that. These are the real costume that they're actually wearing in the movies. Looks really lovely here, and looks really enormous as well. This is very wonderful to see these props and this scene in like very close to you like that. So like say wow. Harry Potter passport, guys. Seems fancy, huh? It is very cool to see an inside of Dumbledore's office, which was located in one of the highest towers of Hogwarts. As you can see here, there are many portraits of the headmaster of Hogwarts as well in this room. And the next time that I got in the passport in the Quidditch area, it is very nice to see all those Quidditch equipment, costume, brooms, because Quidditch is one of the sports that is playing a big role in the movies. It is not a big area, but I enjoy it. One thing that I like about the Harry Potter movies is because they make all these mechanics real. Basically, the teams kind of like invent the mechanism of each equipment in the movie, like for this one. So you can wave your hand and you can see those carrot got shops. Also here you can try it. And for the third badge that I got here in my passport, it's more about those villains in the movies. As you can see here, this is called the Death Eaters meeting scene. You can find this scene in the Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1, which is the gathering of the most villains in the movies. After that, I entering this Forbidden Forest scene, which gives me a very nice atmosphere and nice feeling like you actually enter in the forest in the movies. Alright guys, and here we are at platform 9 and 3/4. This is the actual one of the famous scene in the Harry Potter scene. So as you can see here, there are this train over there, and then also this decoration over there. Like I said, it's one of the famous scene in Harry Potter in many episodes. And yeah, let's go check it out, guys. Alright, so what do we have here? We have the cabin here. Okay, let's get in. Okay, so we need to get in over there. Alright guys, and this is it. This is the real butter beer that's served within the Harry Potter movies. Alright, I'm gonna try this out. Oh my god, this is actually very good. It's actually a really good one. It's not like an alcoholic thing, but it's like a sweet. It's like a sweet. Oh my god. After finish the butterbeer, this is the number 4 Privet Drive, which is the Harry Potter house. Seems like all the creatures and effects and models are showcased here in the creator shop. Myself and my crew take pride in being able to pull things out of hat. Oh.
Process. So here we have the character Gringotts. You see this stuff here, it's called plastiline.
Alright guys, and we are here in front of the Gringotts Bank. I can't believe that these simple props are actually made just for the scene in the movie. Even the small details, you know, like a rip of the paper or even the letter in the paper is like really details, very details. In this Warner Brothers studio tour, I have to say Gringotts Bank is one of my favorite. They have a very specific details in each section, and they also have a very nice special effect when the Gringotts Bank got destroyed in the movies. And what you can see here is the Lestrange vault, which used to store the treasure of Bellatrix Lestrange, one of the villains in the movie.
First of all, we cut the marble paper up to the size of the tank because we need it.
Alright guys, and what you see behind me is a Diagon Alley. One of the famous scenes in the Harry Potter. I mean, you can't miss this scene, very signature of Harry Potter movies. Okay, so let's get a look. What do we have here? So we have wizarding equipment over there. We have some ice cream, books, tailors, an owl, and the Weasley Wizard Beast. And also the Quidditch sapphires. Yes, they definitely have the Diagon Alley stamp for the passport, so don't miss it. After the Diagon Alley, I found this place which is like a model of the working room or the designing room. As you can see here, it seems like everything is architected and designed in the blueprints, which is very nice to see how they actually put the details in each stuff in the movies. It's like basically every element in the scene, they put the details in there. Even the color of the tea in the cups. And the last journey for my passport is the Hogwarts Castle, which is look very enormous. Basically they put the whole Hogwarts models into this area, and they also have some kind of like special effects here, which is very enjoyable to watch. After finish the whole tour, I entering this gift shop. There are many souvenirs that you can find here, like wands, costumes. If you guys are big fans of Harry Potter, you're probably not gonna miss this section. I decided to buy this Gryffindor sweater for around £40. It's quite expensive, but kinda worth it. Alright guys, and that's it. This is the end of the tours, and this is the end of the day. So I'm gonna go back to my home. I'm gonna go back inside the London, and if you like this video and you have any comment, please put the comment below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you guys next time, okay? Cheers.